Now we're really going to see how the indirect object pronouns come into play. Spanish has a large group of verbs that express likes and dislikes, along with an indirect object pronoun next to the verb to signal who's involved, who's benefiting, positively and negatively. In other words, the theme stimulates the action and agrees with the verb in the third person, singular or plural, while the beneficiary is marked with an indirect object pronoun. Again, me, te, le, nos, os, or les. The prototypical verb in this group is gustar, to be pleasing to or to like. But there are many others, such as interesar, to be interesting, encantar, to delight, fascinar, to fascinate, importar, to be important, faltar, to need, hacer falta, to be lacking, preocupar, to worry, molestar, to bother or bug, parecer, to appear or seem. If an infinitive follows these verbs, it's considered singular. Me gusta tomar café. Tomar café is the subject. Gusta agrees as singular with the subject, and me, that's the person involved. Here are some more examples. And again, the indirect object noun can double up with the pronoun, but the pronoun is what always has to be there. Me gustan los melones. I like melons. ¿A ti te gusta el melón? Do you like melon? ¿A usted le gustan los melones? Do you like melons? Les gusta la fruta a los mexicanos. Mexicans like fruit. Me importa la calidad de la comida. Food quality is important to me. ¿Te preocupa el precio? Are you worried about the price? Nos parece muy caro el precio. The price seems too high to us. ¿Os encanta la Plaza Central de Mérida? Do you all like the Central Plaza? ¿Te falta algo? Do you need anything? Sí, me hace falta un café. Yes, I need a coffee. No les molesta el calor a los yucatecos. The Yucatan people are not bothered by the heat. Notice that these verbs always agree in the third person with the thing that is causing the sensation or the action. Be careful using the first or the second person with a verb like gustar, to be pleasing, implies a sexual connotation.